for me mama akwaba adiaba me nana kwantia motia asoyamo ebe mu wonwa afse mo ho obi tisemi mo ho ndi patisemi mo ho edro wura tisemi mo ho tumi wura tisemi ene mama obi akwaba adiaba me masoyamo me na yefre me nana kwantia motia kwantambrantem efsasa kwan ne yetia kwan ne yetia motia no ombetma kontem abantem adiama asundwe abafientem a wo bia otimi mi cheche obia ade aba masoya mo efse yetu nsa fremi mi obia me nkofidie su temo hunu a ebe mo nwanwa se mo hunu nipa weda ayampa edro ewa wiase efse sisia no onjori ai otise enne mayese Davida kontompo wo ho na nukreso ewo ho obia okase busum ni ho oyentro wura obia okase edro ni ho oyentro wura na me na kwantia motia ene me ba fidie iso yi me ya ntina me ba fidie iso efsen edu anajuna uso TV oba se wonu we se oya mala we oya nana we oya hwan we Davida enjo obi ntro enje disikandi enkase obebo obi na kwa se onipa no usa guna gu form ama okọ ebe dia benu musukura nipa ne nibi nti enne wa otiemi wa ohwemi ewa Ghana ha wa ohwemi ewa Africa wa ohwemi ewa wiase nyina bebia uwo na ohwemi mi ma ba muamanie wotiti wobobo fabeda mina nana kwantia motia dia obeba na matiu yale sute dia obeba na matiu house te enya kwabra ntina efre me kwantia motia enya bibia se kwan na me de faso yeduma no kwan a ayetia enya asem bebre ntina me ba ha lafse me mpefidi asem na me hu se ntrofo dosu pastor for malam for okonfo munyina muntiemi enne so ya malam na utiemi en utimi en dursa dwane ntete na bra mi malam kontia motia na kontia motia kontambra ntama soyamo na wonsabeka dia aya odie enne midi nkra a eye dia ebetuma pipa wonisio hawa a untiminda hawa udo usora untimindidi untimennum enya se aduane na enni ho enya se nsu na enni ho aduane wo na wonum nyede a untimindidi na enne meka kira wo a ohwemi enya kasa bibre enya agro na eba abedi wo ha Davida fana be se the screen ni so no na ofremi a dia meba be kai sama bo asem so a mambo so a na wafre obo so a meka kira obo mama bio na me bio so beba asundwe fiem eno na meka kira wo se uye malam ni na sebi wo hono tumi ni ho oso pesa ya fre wo malam asemesi na tumi ni ho fremi mal na kwantia motia na wonsabeka de tumi a oso betumi ade abo amanfo se yare asema ya sika asema na oso watimi anya bi abo debi uye pastor ni a ohwemi enne wasori agu o pastor na ohwemi wasori agu ye bi wasori no obi amba sebi on didi me bra to anamo enferi o pastor wo ahwemi una meka kira wo no fa number no na frame pastor ohoya mobo frame na wo sware no se dom na wo pe a sware ne ba ma debi tumi na wo ankasa pastor wo pe se wo de adwuma FCC ano wo ye pastor wo ye hwan ye o na wo de tumi a onyo bia na me meka kira mo enya me na me hyiase nyame na odi tumi no e de ama Satan odi ama bonsam na bonsam mi jibu somdi ama bonsam ye adwuma ma me obi okasa bonsam na onipa ne twantro sabi mi na efre me bonsam ba efse den obi ani ho okasa bonsam ni ho o pese obi ho se bonsam wo brama so ya mo na sabi obi ho se bonsam ye djuma pampa yaka yes yaka se no yaka fita ya so tuntum uyo konfo o sore enfanyama nhye wo hu Davida ay ade ye nanan mo ajai say yen fan boa ade ye nanan mo ajai say fan yi how afiri wiase na ba no say na o sore we o su ye konfo na obi beba wo ho fa bra enye obi a otiemi enne mo haw no nyina so ato efse ma ba with full effect mina yatimeka awa India atimeka awa Egypt atimeka awa Nigeria atimeka awa Mali atimeka awa Burkina enne ma ba Ghana fo musumo sori na enne mo hawa atwa we are politician debi politics no obi aba so okwanim wo de nkwanim frɛ number say the screen this way politician soro biom na na politics no wiachi ene a motie me fa number na frɛ na wo frɛ a ene wo so be win election den ayetumi eduro wo ho obi o kasa eduro ni ho on frɛ me na me di no be kɔ sunsumu ama na hu sɛ ayampa eduro ho tumi wo ho wo ye malam ni malam wa kinkan na so enhunsu obi ba ho boana ontime boano endada nipa no ekasa kwoto sebra fasika sebra enu ntime boa fasebra ye nye de sa how sika sam sise obi asoro sika debe mum frɛ mi number sina mum mbra na sika no wa fie sika wa kukuo mu sika wa adaka mu sika ya moja jampenye foka de bia se sika ya moja enye se sika no ohun se sika ya moja a edwane na bebia sika wo moja wo ho bebia sika wo ewuo wo ho enye se obi na obi di no be kokodi sika duro debida ya pesika ma nipa di nto ko bi obi ho na o se me ma o sika duro na o yire bewu me ma o sika duro o yire o babewu me ma o sika duro o kwati bewu debida ya nya ne sa ye pesika ama nipa di nte adenti na esa di nipa akodi sika duro debida ya nya ne sa bra mina na kontia moti aso ayemo na sika kuko obi aka na asem a otie unhu bi da no kuko no wa fie kuko obedie the pot of peace, the pot of wealth, the pot of riches wa fie awo mina na kontia moti aso ayemo kontia moti akontambra ntam dino eno no edwunu kasa na ye djuma anya me na meka na uwa otitwi na me body no a bisa ontinri a busa mpanyefo se kwante moti ayaden na obekira wo sika kokko wo ho debida ukwa bebia ye boa wa enye debi enye to anamuna bra maso ye mo na sisia no hunhum bone aba eware mbema eware mba sisia enye ware na kwa egu sika bsem so on sika na njina adenti na obi akọ eni ude nko bomboni na Fred number say that screen so na ya ha no omo frɛ me no me ka kyerɛ me say me mba fidie so na mo apa me chaw say omo timi ka kyɛ na me fa ankra me kita ade boa amanfo no tumi me kita de boa amanfo no mo timi ka no omo Ghana for Africa for mo so pensa tumi no ade aboa omo ho dewe we a game boy obi akwa enim ode ho nkwa enim da obi atimi hu broni ebo mo me ho anya boni o obe me ho say me nchi broni mo anya boni mame efse na broni fo no omo atie na no etomomo omo tomo ajisika as slaves ntenu ene wo browse say watch broni on pesa betu aka to na mo na bra me na na kontia mo tia so ya mo na sisia o client betu dollars a ope pounds a ope na o betu ya number say the screen so ene enye sa obefa na me na kontia mo tia me mfa ma asem ndi agro ene den mi wokuko a ya frene rituals sikeduro no enye se obedi akogu fie no kwa debe kuko no wa honkwa a oba is a lodge membership wo pesa obedwa na obeba odi odin beba o ma medin o papa din na ejuwa wura bosom no na ejuwa bia wo ya pastor obetima ba ye ji pastor for wo ya malam na ye ji malam for we konfo a we adwuma me yakura na so tumi ni ho bra kuonu wo ho membership of nana kontia motia nto ba na odwane a enyo obi na beka kire se usu okwan be tia sika sema be tia mawo adwuma bia obi be tia mawo ntenya asama anya agro na edi wa ha mba na motie mi wo a wo hwe mi wo oba no obema no abrante oba yua fa namba na frɛ me anajo uda na usunda na ulu baima bom na usore na ya dayam uwa oba e hausa ontemnya kunu wari ene na friend sunsumo wari spiritual marriage na e spiritual marriage na e womba so e womba ma so ubema so uda na usunda na onu ba da e be ende na wotemnya ba wari do wo hwemi no wo se wasam na meka no fa na mara na frɛ na wo frɛ me a wo sereka dia opɛ debi sika usoma sika no wo otimi ho sika nie sika no wadi be kakra de aka no unhu bebe afa dwane bra won sano na atwe tokoro won sem no na minu nyina ye dia tum se kente yentum fast kente nsansuo Ntemino, mame, papa, abranche obaywa, o ushemi. Fa number no na fre, na na kontia mutia, na o house betwa, wamani ya subetwa, ubobo betwa. Fere dami, na ji utume a eyo wa adia bebo ama enne ubeti de ewo ho. Obi adibi, undibi. I have lotto number watch me, our man for fee, confort fee. John Brand na kontia mutia ho, na kontia mutia na ewo ho, kofa number ebebo ochinano, na mutia na masumo mo, ama mo kontem, abantem, adi number naba. Say sika, mina masumo mo, ama mo kontem, abantem. Sikedro yaka sikedro no, mina miwo original one. The whole Africa, mini size. If say, baby I'm matching chim, akoye juma, ya baby I'm kobia ya frame number 1. Baby I'm kobia ya frame number 1. The original Nana Kontia Mutia, the expensive spiritualist, the most powerful spiritualist. Don't wait for me to talk too much. As you hear Nana Kontia Mutia, today you are listening, you are watching me live because I've never been to TV station before. Today is my first time of being on TV screen. So if you are watching my program, I don't need to talk much. Just take the number on the screen. Call Nana Kontia Mutia and all your problems will be solved. If you're a pastor, you need customers, you need population in your church, just call me. Secretly, don't be afraid. Don't feel shy as a pastor. Just call Nana Kontia Mutia. And as you hear the name, it works quickly. I'm the only number 1 person who have the spirit which moves fast, quicker and come back quicker. No, you need the physical spirit as a pastor to also command. Say yes and it's yes, say no and it's no. Just call me and all shall be solved. You are a malam who don't have powers. You are a malam who doesn't see. Come to Nana Kontia Mutia and I'll help you get powers. I'll help you be strong. No, you are a spiritualist. Don't be shy as a spiritualist. Yes, we have grade 1, grade 2, till grade 100, grade thousands. And I am the best in the whole Africa. I'm the number 1 in the whole Africa. Just call me. All you need is just to pick up the number on top of the screen and call me. And inshallah, I'm telling you, Satan exists and Satan works. I believe in the devil because the devil has been showing me wonders all the time. If I mention the devil's name seconds, the devil answers me. So if you who think the devil does not exist, I am proving you wrong today. Just call my number. If you are not giving birth, if you're a woman, since you get married, you've never given birth to a baby boy or baby girl, just call me and I'll give you some short time and you'll be pregnant. You're a man who doesn't work, just give me a call. You sell, your marketing does not go forward, just give me a call. A pastors, I am reminding you, you pastors, malams, spiritualists, don't feel shy. The overall king, Nana Kontia Mutia, I am out. Because of you, I'm out. I'm ready to help anybody in terms of difficulties. Ntemami, wa ushemino, wa wari 10 years ne, wa uba. Friend Nana Kontia Mutia, na uso unsabeka akwala. Debi utoma de ento. Utom kura no diskani ba fia unhu bebi asikana faso. Friend Nana Kontia Mutia. Na sebi yete na hano, enye adia meneji. Nte freme wasema ewo hono freme se ewo ha ye be ya ma te meti ne te ade ama na dia me kai mu e kai mu asa kai mu sikedro wa fie monjwane muntu ana mona mobra maso ya mu na muso mun san ka sikedro na ochena obi akobia muso metumi ekobi. Pastors, politicians, if you are ready to win this year election, call Nana Kontia Mutia, and I bet you will win to this year election. My brother, I'm not joking. If you want promotion in your work, you are in abroad. If you listen to me, if you are in abroad, since you went to abroad 5 years to 10 years, you don't have documents. Call Nana Kontia Mutia and I'll work for you and you'll get documents. You are in abroad. You are working. It's like you are not working. Or you are in Ghana here, you want to travel outside abroad. You are a man, but when you get to the airport, they watch your passport and it's a female. How come a man, you Kobna, when you get there, you are now turned to Abna? Kobna can never be Abna. We have boy and we have girl. just call me, and inshallah you go. If you are there too, you need help. There are many people out there who made it in my name, who made it because of me. So what are you waiting? Who trained them? Abrochiri na upesa uko. Uyo bema na uko through airport and you show passport swa. Yeah, ba passport. E ban na bema passport dan oba. Nte bema u oba u utimi. Fa numbers na frɛ na dwan bra na sa ahaw no eno so betwa. Debi brochiri na wo uko brochiri 10 years ne on nkrata. Frɛ na kwante motia na nkrata no ebe ya wodie. Yes, as I'm telling to you, as I'm talking to you, my brothers and sisters, you are watching Nana Konte Motia live. Either you are in abroad for so long, you've borrowed a company money, or you yourself you are owing a company in which your money has been burned. You don't have money to continue your business. Just call Nana Konte Motia for your instant money, because it's because of you people I'm out here. I'm out to clean your tears. Stop crying, my brothers and sisters, and just call Nana Konte Motia and all your problems will be solved. No, you just need to have the spirit in which you will be getting the money by yourself. Yes, the money pot is in the house. I believe in the devil, my brother. Just come. The evil pot is there. I will just give you. You go and keep it. If you want dollars, in all the time you will remove dollars in the pot. Pounds, you will remove pounds in the pot. When they talk about fiscal medicine, I, Nana Konte Motia, am the best among the rest. I'm first among tens. So my brother and sister, I don't need to talk much. You who is watching me, I've never been in screen, but because I've been seeing that you are crying so much. So that's why I am out today to wipe your tears. So everybody stop crying and come to Nana Konte Motia and all your problems will be solved. So as I'm talking to not only money, if you are doing business, your business is not going forward. The company is there, you are not getting money, just call me. You are a pastor in abroad, America, Canada, where? Just call me. Because I've been seeing many pastors crying that their business is not going. As a pastor, call me. Don't be shy. I'm reminding you, you've collected a loan from the bank. Now the bank is forcing you to collect all your property. Call Nana Konte Motia today as I'm talking to you, because I've been here all day, all night. People are crying that I went to Nana this, he collected my money. I went to this Mala, he collected my money. I went to this pastor, he collected my money. My brother, don't let no one deceive you that he's doing money doubling for you. No. I am out to clean your tears. So stop going to pastor that he should do double money for you. Stop going to that malam who tell you buy this, you buy this, you buy. You spend all your money. You went to the bank and borrow money. Now they are chasing you, running after you to collect all your property. If you're looking, just carry this my number and call me, my brother. The court is there. The shrine is there. Just come with your name and I'll show you the rules. If you follow the rules and you join the court, my brother, if I give you the pipe and you put it inside the house, you'll be drinking the water inside your house. It's better than showing you go to that place and fetch water. No, I am here to give everybody his own pipe. Put it in your house and you'll be drinking water. And in your house, there will not be tasty anymore. Because if I say I'm going to do money doubling for you, my brother, you'll be suffering. Still, it's like I'm giving you water to drink, but I am out to give each and everyone a pipe bomb in your house so that you'll be getting water. People are traveling abroad because of dollars, traveling abroad because of pounds, traveling abroad because of any kind of currency. My brother, stop traveling. If you're abroad there too, don't bother that Ghana is far from where you are. Nothing good comes. It's just call Nana Konte Motia. And my brother, I will show you the rules. You'll be there and you'll make it. And all your family, I mean all, not you, your grandchildren will never suffer because of money. You borrowed the bank, now they are after you, just call me. No, you are there, you need abroad lottery because we have American lottery in which people have been crying that they call Ghana, this person will say bring this. No, we don't do work like that. Call me. I'll just put your name in my shrine. The court is there. People are joining it. It's an occultic group. If you come, I'll just join you. Either you are female, you are a male. Don't be afraid. Nana Konte Motia, I'm ready to help you. Run and come. I've opened my house to hug you, to welcome you to peace, to welcome you to the wealth, to welcome you to fame. So as you are listening to me, If you're in America, Canada, wherever you find yourself, outside Ghana, my brother, just take this my number and call me. Financial problem that you are facing over there will be solved. Don't think you can come to Ghana. I can be here and do the work for you. That's why they are calling me Quantia Motia. Meaning my spirit that I'm using is the shortest. And the road that they pass to do work is the shortest. Any money problem that you are facing abroad, my brother, don't face it again. Your problems are solved. The company that you borrow, come, you yourself, you are having the company. The company is not moving. Today, as you're looking at me, your company will move today, it will move tomorrow, and it keep on moving. If only you don't disappoint yourself in calling me. All what you need is just to pick up this number. Call me. And it's the court that you want to join, I will let you join the court. No, you just want me to give you the pot to go and keep it in your house. I'm the only person who have the money pot. If you ask, I'm number one in the whole Africa who have the money pot. Then you just come. If I give you the pot, you are blessed, my brother. If I give you the pot, all your suffering has stopped. Because with money, you can decide to do anything you want. And that pot that I'm giving out is the what will give you money and you will never suffer. So if you're looking at me, just pick up this number and call me. Yes, as I told you earlier on, there's no time. So you who is watching me, as I explained to you earlier on, you are owing a company. Just give a call and there's no time. So I just want to prove to you that people are lying. People are doing magic tricks. People are doing what is not necessary. Telling people lies that you can do this without doing it is never a medicine. Telling, doing people magic, showing people your fastness. Me, I don't do that. I, Nana Quantia Motia, I'm doing my real things because I believe in the devil and the devil never disappoints me. So today, I will call the devil here and people will see that yes, the devil exists. I am the messenger of the devil. So I don't waste time. I wanted to prove to you that people normally come out with a pot, put paper on the pot, cover it. As you are watching, people normally create a hole here, putting some things under the pot. As you're watching me, I don't do that. I Nana Quantia Motia. Just look at it. Look at it. Nothing. I'm going to prove to you that the devil exists. So you who is watching me, I just want to prove to you, I just want to do something small for you to understand that the devil exists. So you just watch out and see what I'm going to prove to you. Look at it. Look at it. As I'm putting something small to let you understand that the medicine exists, that the evil exists, my brothers and sisters, I am not the fake madam that you have been seeing. I'm not the fake pastor that you went and he deceived you. I'm not the fake priest that you went and he said he's going to do more trouble for you. No, the quick money pot is here. As I want to prove to you, if you come and collect the ritual pot, this is how it works for you. Just look at me and see me commanding the airwaves of money, airwaves of rituals is from me. I am chanted to call dollars from the west, from the east, from south and north. American US dollars that I'm mentioned to see it physically. For anybody who is seeing me, that all his problems are solved. Haza Kamacha, Haza Kabacha, Haza Kabacha, Haza Kabacha, Sakarba Hindu Mahindu Police Kontuna Alasbaranda, Nekerba, power to Isa, I control it. Today, I'm calling American dollars for every hustler, every big man in America, every big man in US, every big man in abroad who is suffering. Today, it has come to end. Sakarba Hindu Mahindu Police Kontuna Alasbaranda. Concha Mocha, Contambrantam. Concha Mocha, Contambrantam, Bianco American Nafas Canberra, Sakarba Hindu Mahindu Police Kontuna Alasbaranda. Nekerba, 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 Nekerba. My brother, as you can see, what did I show you? I show you an empty pot. I just want you to understand that money exists, powers exist. I believe in the devil, and as I promise you, come to me and all your problems will solve. I'm not the kind of madam who just went and bring you those nyamanya things, my brother. Just look at me. Nana Quantia Motia. I'm proving to you, come to me and all your problems will be solved. Run, don't wait, just pick up the number on the screen. Come to Nana Quantia Motia, my brother. Oh, today, I'm cleaning your tears. Nana Quantia Motia. Quantia Motia, my brother. My brother, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting? Do you want the pastor to lie to you? Or you want that fake priest to lie to you? You want that fake madam to lie to you? Pick up my number. Nana Quantia Motia is out to clean your tears. Nana Quantia Motia is out to remove you from that debt. I'm here to solve the bank problem that you are facing. 10 years, you don't have documents. Nana Quantia Motia, my brother, I'm proving to you that the spirit exists. I, the number one, the original one, Nana Quantia Motia. Just look at me, my brother. What are you waiting for? Pick up the number. Pick up my number and all your problems are solved. Look at me about why. What are you waiting for? The fake malams that you want them to lie to you? Or the fake pastor who are doing money doubling which cannot help? Just call me. Nana Quantia Motia. This is my numbers on the screen. Pick up the numbers. Nana Quantia Motia. Nana Quantia Motia. Sakreba Hindu Mahindu Bulis Kontunya Alas Ganda. Nekreba. Power to Isaac. Run. Don't wait. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? My brother, just come. Oh, my brother, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You want me to lie to you? They will tell you money double. You go, buy this, buy this. It has come to an end. Come and collect the ritual pot. As you know, what did I put inside? I'm proving to you that the devil exists. So my brother and sister, just pick up the number and call me. And the time is not permitted for me. So you who is watching for me, if I mention what is worrying you or I didn't mention it, all you need is just to pick up the number. If you call me, and inshallah, my brother, just give a call and all your problems will be solved. So I thank you, whoever who is watching my program, either you are in Ghana, you are outside Ghana, you are owing the bank, they are rushing to collect your property. It's all over. Just look at it, my brother. What do you want and come by? What do you want? Is it pounds? Just give him a call. And inshallah, all your problems will be solved. So you who is watching me, this is not a joke. Nowadays, there are small boys who wake up watching TV programs, downloading people's videos. They will clean your number on top of the screen. They will clean it and they will fix their own. Defrauding people. So just watch out. If you are calling to come to Nana Quantia Motia and these numbers that I'm going to mention is not on the screen, my brother, then that is not me. And currently, as I'm speaking to you, I am in Accra. If you come to Accra, where will you find Nana Quantia Motia? I am located in Ashama, Katamaso. And these are my numbers. If you didn't hear this number that I'm mentioning and you are picking any number apart from these two numbers, my brother, then you are going to the wrong place. Because I am the original one who is going to mention my own numbers for you to pick up. So the numbers that I'm going to mention, if you see that it's not the same as the screen, then you are going to the wrong direction. So just pick up your pen, pick up your paper, and write this number that I'm going to mention. So my brothers and sisters, just keep your ear open and listen. My Vodafone is 020. My brother, open your ear. 020 77 85 429. The Vodafone again, 020 77 85 429. And my MTN is 024 65 27 696. My MTN number again, 024 65 27 696. These are the two numbers. I only use two numbers. If someone you see the numbers are three, my brother, run away. Don't call the number. It's the wrong number. And if any number apart from these two numbers, then you are going to the wrong person, because people do use my name. If you go to Facebook, go to where people use my name to defraud people. That is why I am mentioning my number personally. So if you pick up this number, then meaning you are talking to the real Nana Quantia Motia. So my brothers and sisters, all you need, the important message you have here is to pick up the number. All what I said, if you don't understand it, if you call, you understand it better. And inshallah, if you come to Ashama Katamaso, and one of my branch is in Kumasi. I work in Accra and Kumasi. But currently, as I'm talking to you, I am located in Ashama Katamaso in Accra. So you whoever who need me, just call these numbers. And inshallah, you'll get to Nana Quantia Motia. And as you hear the name, Quantia Motia is my spirit which moves quicker and come back quicker, because I use short road to do work. The spiritual master who use Abbreviation Road. So I don't have much to say. Just pick up the contact and inshallah your problem will be solved.